Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Sparta Gamma remix pitch. First, let's dive into understanding the fundamental components of a successful remix. You'll want to analyze the original track's tempo, key, and memorable hooks. Then, consider how your unique artistic vision can transform these elements. Planning your pitch's structure, from its opening to its powerful conclusion, is absolutely crucial for capturing attention and conveying your creative intent effectively. To create an impactful Sparta Gamma remix pitch, begin by thoroughly deconstructing the original track. Focus on isolating the main melodic lines and rhythmic patterns that define it. Understand the original genre and its intended audience to inform your creative choices. Look for specific sections where you can introduce new instrumentation or unique sound effects. This deep analysis will help you build a strong foundation for your remix concept. Now, let's develop your unique remix concept. Consider choosing a new tempo and key that will breathe fresh life into the original track while maintaining its essence. Don't be afraid to experiment with various sound design techniques to create a distinctive sonic landscape. Integrate those signature Sparta Gamma elements, like the iconic vocal chop or rhythmic stabs, to make your remix instantly recognizable. Clearly outline the new arrangement and dynamic shifts for maximum impact. Finally, it's time to structure and present your pitch effectively. Prepare a concise audio demo, ideally around 1 minute in length, showcasing the most exciting parts of your remix. Accompany this with a brief, compelling written description that articulates your creative vision. Clearly highlight the unique selling points and how your version stands out. Practice your presentation multiple times to ensure a smooth, confident, and engaging delivery, leaving a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.